We are about to go wake Caitlin up for school. We're going to see how well she does. I'm sure it's not going to be pretty. She's not a morning person at all. Caitlin. Caitlin, baby. Wake up. Wake up. Caitlin. Wake up. It's time for school. Wake up. You gotta get ready for school. Good job, baby. Come on, wake up. Wake up. Wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up. You got goosebumps. Wake up. Come on, seriously. Get up.
I want to go, Mommy.
I'm sorry you don't want to go. You sound like the Exorcist. Come on, let's get up and get dressed. Come on, baby. No, don't do that. Give me that. There's Tempe over there. Caitlin, get up. This is going to take a minute. We'll check back later.